Happy 2025, Rutherford weather friends. Thanks for joining us for this brief update on some possible winter mischief, possible keyword, and coming to you from the new 2025 edition of Rutherford Weather. So thanks for joining us. Let's take a look at what we've got for you. The National Weather Service has put out a package with some information. Just kind of know this, a light wintry mix is possible overnight Saturday, but really Sunday morning, and transitioning to all rain in the afternoon, and some minor travel impacts are going to be possible, especially north of I-40 and the closer you get to the border with Tennessee and Kentucky if you have some travel plans on Sunday. So kind of this timeline, early in the morning through early afternoon, especially on the plateau. Travel impacts possible mainly north of I-40. We're south of I-40, so that's good. Changing to rain in the afternoon, and then maybe Sunday night into early Monday, a changeover to some light snow with very minor accumulations possible, especially up on the plateau. In terms of possible ice accumulations, as you can see here in Rutherford County, we have mainly the northern half, or maybe the northern third almost. Smyrna, Laverne, maybe even parts of Walter Hill out toward the Vine community going into Wilson County that are shaded in this yellow, which means anywhere from 1/100 of an inch to 1/10 of an inch. Now, that's not huge, but it doesn't take a lot of ice, and this would be early, and then the rain and warmer temperatures coming in. Going to have some pretty decent rainfall with this, we think, on Sunday as well. So any impacts look to be kind of the northern third of Rutherford County, if that. So something to keep in mind. So possibility of 1/100 of an inch of ice accumulation. As you can see, here's Rutherford County. Let me circle that for us here. There's Rutherford County, Murfreesboro, 9%. Rutherford County, maybe a little bit greater, the northern third. And in terms of 1/10 of an inch of ice, which is enough to cause some issues, we can see here's Rutherford County with about a 7% chance of that. So our chances are not high any way that you want to look at it here. 6 a.m. to our southwest, the onset of the rain, 6 to 10 for Rutherford County and points east, and then on the plateau about 10 to 2. The Murfreesboro Public Works Department is out. They've got a brand new snowplow. Don't think they're going to get to use it, but they've got one. And also, they've got about 1,000 tons of ice. 1,000 tons of salt for any ice or snow. So we don't want 1,000 tons of ice. Trust me on that. So tell your friends about Rutherford Weather. And on YouTube, Facebook, and Twitch, we are live on those channels during impactful and severe weather. So you'll want to turn on your notifications so that way you'll know when we have a post going up about weather or we're on live during that time. Also on X and Instagram, you can see updates on some of the information we pass along, like this video. So tell your friends and family that live in Rutherford County to check out Rutherford Weather. RutherfordWX.com, the place where you can get to all those social platforms and see some pretty cool forecasting tools as well. Thanks for joining us, and we will keep you updated on the winter mischief that's going to impact maybe not us here in Rutherford County, but other areas to our north. Definite impacts from this storm, a very cold week coming up, and then maybe more wintry mischief. Let's get past this first one first. Thanks for joining us for this update on Rutherford Weather.